Hey guys, I'm gonna make this Costco Tri-Tip seasoned Tri-Tip here, and I've never cooked one of these before, so I'm just gonna follow the directions and grill it up. So it looked absolutely delicious. I hear great things about Tri-Tip. Let's do this. So here's the instructions for the grill. So I'm gonna preheat it to medium high, and I'll place it on there for 10 to 15 minutes. That's on medium. Okay, then flip it, and then do an additional 10 to 15 minutes. So I like mine a little on the rare side, so I think I'm just gonna go 10 on each side. So that's easy enough. 10 aside on medium. All right, you are about ready to go on the grill. Look at that. All right, got the grill preheated. I'm gonna knock it down to medium heat all across the board here. I know it's showing hot right now, but go ahead and slap it up there. Yeah. Okay, set the timer for 15 minutes. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and move this thing down a little bit. I'm gonna move this baby down onto the bottom shelf. It's only been cooking for 5 minutes, but it needs to cook a little bit quicker. Knock that heat down just a little bit. Just a little too hot there for me. There we go. All right, so about 10 more minutes on this side, then I'll flip it. Oh yeah, that smells good. Flipping it over, it's been 15 minutes. That's perfect. And actually, if I could do this over again, I'd probably never put it up there, right on the lower rack. There's the temp. There's my settings. Oh yeah, look at that. She's done. Bonfire going back there. Look at that. Let's give that a shot. Let's try it.